everyone, and welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be opening my snack crate. I love this box. This box is I want to say 35, maybe $30 a month. And in it, I get a drink and a bunch of snacks from their choice of country. And I like feeding my mouth hole. So let's jump in this and see what we got. I don't even know the country. I didn't even look at it. I am super excited. So, all of my boxes that I get, I do pay for myself. And I film these and then I upload them in the hopes to entertain the world away from my duties outside of my full-time job. And I do gaming ones, and it looks like we get snacks from Colombia. Ooh, these will be neat. So in this box, it also gives you a big thing about the country. It gives you a hashtag that you can go ahead and hashtag the photo of your box and what you got in it. And it comes all nice and neat. There's another information booklet of items that you get in here. And then it's got this nice flag for sticker for the country. And then all the stuff for the country. So let's open this up and see what we got. Now I do open them and test them. Ooh, I am a hot mess today. So I do open them and test them on camera. Most of them, almost all of them, just so that you get an idea of what they are. And these look amazing. This is going to be so much fun. So, let's dive on in. So, the first item, here, let me hold this up. Like, you can't even, like, this thing is jam-packed full. So, this is what it looks like inside. Like, it is so jam-packed full, and then there's stuff underneath here. So, let's go ahead and start unboxing it. So, the last time I tried to do this, I realized that, see, I get to the second tier. There is a mini tier as well, and then this is the extra stuff. So, and I think there's a third box. So, I get the stuff in the mini box and in the other box. So these are Laninas, and this says they're lemon bacon chips. Lemon bacon chips, and they have a photo of a lime. So, I think they're lime bacon chips. Oh, they look like miniature bacons. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Those are really good. They look like miniature. Ooh, you can taste the lime in that. Those are really good. And I got 2 of these. So in other Laninas, they're green plantain chips. So let's open that and try that out real quick. Never really had a plantain chip. So it is looks like a flattened plantain. These are more chewy, not really chippy. I can see how they consider them chips, though. So the next thing that's in here is the Baro Siba. It's just the Baro round cheese rings. Let's see what those are like. I don't like the plantains. They do have a cheesy smell. I probably should have thought about that. I didn't like those. They don't taste like cheese to me. They taste like, I don't even know, like a cereal that's really dense. They're not as airy as you would like as a snack. The next item that I got is, it says toast tacos in the flavor picante. I'm bold. They say they're cone-shaped corn snacks, so they look like little triangles that are blown out. Those are not bad. No. Corn snacks. And I do get the bag that has a treat. I mean, a can of juice, a can of something from their thing. So I do have this. This says it's a Posto Bond, Colombia's favorite apple flavored soda. Everything you love about sweet apple juice with a fizzy twist. And with those snacks, it's much needed. This isn't bad. I'll set that right over there. So the next item is Newsflash. They're gummies. They're gummies. Tropical fruit explosion in every bite. Challenge accepted. Explosion in every bite. The Korean box I had was nothing but sugar. Not bad. Actually, kind of good. Gosh, there's so much stuff. The next item is that's down here. I don't even know what it is. Here, let me just scoot it up there. Y'all take a gander peek. I don't even think it's in here. I think they're these. Cheese flavored achiro. That's what they look like. A native plant that grows at high altitudes in the Andes region. Don't smell like no cheese. That's a hard piece of bread. Hope I'm not allergic to anything in here. So the next item, I've got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Like, it's like they threw all kinds of crap in here. I mean, they're good. So let's see. The next item I have is a Chocho-rama. I'm not gonna kid. This feels like, it says it's a pound cake covered in a special chocolate, but it feels like fudge. So, let's find out. Yeah, it's just a pound cake. Sweet. For all that's holy, it is a very sweet pound cake in chocolate. The next item here is called a Super Cocoa, and it looks like it's just chocolate with coconut, and it says that's what it is. So, I'm going to see if this is the same as a Mounds bar. That's the closest thing I'd have. Not Mars bar. All those fancy chocolates that you get that have coconut in there. Like you don't even taste the coconut till you inhale. Not that it's bad. We also have 3 or 4 bonbon suckers. I will have one later. It looks like I got strawberry, watermelon, mango, and I have no idea. Passion fruit. So, I don't know if that means they have stuff in them like gum. Yes, they do. They have a gum center. So, just like our Charms or any other gum in the center sucker, I'm pretty sure. We'll suck on one of those in a minute. Then we have a Banchia. I swear that Pop is talking to me. And it says it's a Caramello Mani. A classic milk chocolate bar filled with salty peanuts and a rich caramel. Let's find out. After all those other snacks, I really need something to cleanse the palate a little bit. It looks like the candy's at the bottom of the box and the chips were at the top of the box. That's how you keep your kids out of them. Not bad, except the chocolate goes everywhere. Right? That could have been due to shipping but it's so dry it's like breaking off. But yet, it stuck to my fingers. I don't know. That's weird. The next thing in here is called a Max Cocoa, which it looks like it's just chocolate wafers, which I don't want to just eat a whole bunch of vanilla wafers because I do like vanilla wafers. It says, try dunking this treat in your coffee for a unique taste. I don't have coffee today, so we're just going to try breaking a piece off. These do not look like your chocolate wafers. They look like your vanilla wafers. But maybe it's just a blonde chocolate. Coconut cream. Maybe it's not chocolate at all. It's not that it's bad. If you don't like coconut, you probably won't like them. And then I got 5 hard coffee candies. They're just like little wafering candies that look like caramel. It says they have a caramel center. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No creamy caramel center. There is a caramel, but it's not creamy. It's not creamy. That is not what you envision when you say creamy caramel. I envision string caramel coming out of your mouth. So, we'll go ahead and use one of these. And I did open passion fruit. It is very good. It's just like most suckers. And that is my snack break for this month. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Down below are all links. There are also links if you want to purchase said subscriptions. They're down there as well. I do gaming and unboxing videos. And I've got new boxes coming next month. I got surprises. We're going to leave them as surprises. So that's it for this video. I hurt your face. I'm trying to do a heart. I'm failing miserably with a sucker in my hand. Bye.